Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about pain in rectum. That means pain in anus. Many times many people observe this whenever they go to pass stool or for defecation, they feel pain in anus. Sometimes after passing stool even some blood drops also come. And they pass stool with huge difficulty and huge pain happens as stool touches the anus. And if this is happening with you very often, almost every morning, if you have started feeling this, then it is high time that you start paying attention to anal problems. One of such very common problem is anal fissure. There can be many reasons behind the pain of rectum. And if you are also feeling pain in rectum, that is pain in anus, then it is very important that you consult your doctor and go for diagnosis like why this pain is happening, especially if blood is coming or if pus discharge is happening along with stools. If this is happening, then please don't keep sitting at home and avoiding the symptom. It is high time that you contact your doctor. Please don't get scared, but these kind of problems we should not avoid. We should consult doctors as soon as possible. They will do anorectal examination for you and let you know what problem do you have. And if the problem is related to anal fissure, then this video is for you. Because many times this happen if you are diagnosed with anal fissure, that is little bit breach in the continuity of tissue. If this is the case with a person, then what happens whenever stool comes, it causes cruciating pains and sometimes blood also comes. But don't get scared of it. Please go visit your doctor and once the diagnosis is clear, then go for treatment. And if the diagnosis is anal fissure, then it becomes extremely important then what to eat in your diet. Because anal fissure mostly happens when you have constipation, and not constipation today, constipation for years. If you are having very hard stools, then this can be the most common reason for anal fissure. And many times doctors gives you ointments and antibiotics, and if and you take antibiotics, you take ointments, but after some time again this anal fissure develop and again develop. So according to Ayurveda, the best remedy for anal fissure is to remove the root cause. And the root cause for anal fissure is your disturbed digestive fire, which is causing excessive Pitta dosh in your body and excessive Vata dosh in your body. As you know, in Ayurveda, a lot of focus has been given to what to eat, how to eat, when to eat. And the diet regarding anal fissure becomes very important because if you change certain things in your diet, maybe this problem will never happen again and it will self-heal very quickly. Sometimes this anal fissure is not to the point of anal fissure, sometimes it also get converted into fistula, that is a track of pus that has been formed in anal region. But don't get scared of it, there is proper treatment for all these things, but you should not ignore it and you should not delay the diagnosis. So it's very important, don't do self diagnosis. First go visit your doctor, go for anorectal examination, and if it is anal fissure, then focus on your diet. So when it comes the diet regarding anal fissure, first thing you need to do, that is very simple, convert your 50% food into raw food. That is, take big bowl of fruits, big bowl of salads, sprouts, and then anything freshly cooked. You just try it and you will see the huge difference in your day-to-day life, especially if you are having constipation or if you are having anal fissure. Because this raw diet will be self-healing, it will heal your body naturally. At the same time, it will also keep your energy levels high and it will keep your spirits up. So start your mornings with lukewarm water You can also squeeze little bit of lemon into it and drink 2 glasses of water like this. After that, go for morning walk or do exercise or yoga, pranayam. These all things helps in healing any kind of disease. After that, take a big bowl of fruits. As I mentioned, your 50% diet should be raw, uncooked, big bowl of fruits. After that, some salads, after that some sprouts, after that something cooked. So this is your big meal in breakfast. Take your big meal in breakfast. In lunch, take fruits, 50% fruits and 50% anything cooked. And in your dinner, take anything boiled vegetable which is liquid or create soup of vegetables and drink it. And at the same time, you can also take some salads in the beginning. And after that, anything cooked or boiled vegetable. Try to avoid meat diets, especially red meat. If you have constipation or fissure problem, try to avoid red meat, try to avoid chicken, and all meat diets you should avoid if you have fissure or constipation problem. Try to include more and more green vegetables in your diet. That includes spinach, that includes beans, and avoid fruit juices. Rather, instead of fruit juices, take fruit as a whole, because fruit contains a lot of fiber and this is the time that you need the fiber of fruit. So, it is very important that you eat full fruit. In addition to that, if you have constipation issues, in the morning take 1 spoon of aloe vera. Regarding aloe vera, I already have created one more video. Go through my channel and search for aloe vera video and figure out how to eat, what to eat, when to eat this aloe vera, so that it will help you to overcome your constipation issue. In addition to that, try to avoid all the junk foods, all the tinned food, all the canned foods, all the hard drinks, all the soft drinks, these kind of things, please try to avoid. In addition to that, try to have meals within 3 hours of cooking and always try to cook fresh, avoid water from refrigerator and things from refrigerator. Try to avoid all those meals which contains very fine flour, that is white flour, that is called maida, that is not at all good for health, especially if you have constipation issues. Try to avoid tea and coffee. Tea and coffee are very hot in potency which enhances constipation. So, try to avoid tea and coffee. In addition to that, try to avoid overuse of spices, use very less spices, avoid fried food, canned food, burgers, pizza. Try to have whole grain food and just adopt it for 1 month and you will see the results. Among vegetables, try to avoid eggplant, that is called brinjal also, bangan, and also try to avoid any pickles or any excessive spicy thing and anything fried along with tea and coffee and white bread. Try to avoid all these things for 1 month and you will see the anal fissure will heal naturally. But if for some reason it has become fistula, then you need to consult doctor, because for fistula there is different kind of treatment and for anal fissure there is different kind of treatment. Many people were asking, is there a treatment for anal fissure and fistula in Ayurveda? Lot of storm came suddenly. Yes, there is treatment in Ayurveda, that is the treatment with Kshar Sutra, and it is the oldest Ayurveda surgery. Regarding that, certain Ayurveda hospitals and certain Ayurveda doctors, they perform this kind of surgery, but you need to go under a proper Ayurveda surgeon, then only he can help you, and this task you need to evaluate, like who is good surgeon. In addition to that, there can be many reasons for anorectal pain. So, this video is only about fissure. If you have any question regarding fissure, please write to me. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. And if you are watching me for the first time, then please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Also, those of you who wants online Ayurveda consultations, please write a mail to the given email address and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and with this note I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.